Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a membership site with Patreon step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Patreon website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Once registered, log in to your new account. Click on Create on Patreon located at the top right of the home page. Choose Get Started to begin setting up your membership site. Select a category that best describes your content. Provide a catchy title for your membership page. Write a compelling description that explains what patrons can expect. Specify your membership tiers, detailing what each tier offers. Set the pricing for each tier, ensuring it's reflective of the value provided. Upload a profile picture and banner that represent your brand. Make sure to include any promotional images that showcase your work. Customize your welcome message for new patrons to create a personal touch. Set up your payment information to ensure you can receive funds. Review your settings for any final adjustments. Preview your Patreon page to ensure everything looks appealing. Once satisfied, click on Launch to make your membership site live. Promote your Patreon page across your social media platforms. Engage with your community regularly to maintain interest and encourage new signups. Regularly update your content to keep patrons excited and involved. Monitor your Patreon analytics to understand your audience better. Adjust your tiers and offerings based on feedback and performance metrics. Continue building relationships with your patrons to foster a loyal community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.